The H sound is the same as H in English. Here are some variations with different vowels. Ha. Imagine that you are laughing. Ha, ha. Haine. Haine is the Romanian word for clothes. H. Hări. Hărnicie. Hărnicie is the Romanian word for diligence. H. Like the B sound, except try it with an H. Hâr. Hârtie. Hârtie is the Romanian word for paper, as in sheet of paper. He. Head. Heder. Heder is the Romanian word for heather, as in part of a combine harvester used in agriculture. He. Hidrata. Hidrata is the Romanian word meaning to hydrate. Ho. Hole. Holba. Holba is the Romanian word meaning to stare, especially in a rude or insisting way. Who. Huli. Huli is the Romanian word meaning to insult someone very badly.